Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Honda CRV. We're talking about that generation here from year 2012 to year 2016. If you have one of those, you need to find where the fuel injectors relays located. You may have up to 3 relays for the fuel system, guys. Stay with us, we'll explain where to find them, where to buy cheap relays and fuses, that way don't waste your money, why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience, guys. Make sure to stay until the end. So, before we guys start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you have that generation Honda CRV from year 2012 to year 2016, we will make a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Why we do that? To save you time and money. Let's say you need a fuel pump relay, fuse, heated seats, anything like that, guys, ignition coils, mass airflow sensor. All you have to do is just search for it, find it, look for a second, see where it's located, fix your problem. Because in the manual, often even the fuses are abbreviated and they're very vague and you may not know what it means, guys. But something else, guys. Here at the garage, we're constantly working on things, constantly fixing things. Those are our main YouTube channels. We have over 1.2 million subscribers, guys. We have videos that help more than 350 million people, guys. So subscribe, check it out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Now, another thing, guys, let us show you something. That Honda has some special fuses, guys. But even if you need to buy any fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, guys, okay, anything, you can see you have different kinds of relays, special fuses here. Okay, those are multi-block fuses. Like this one is 11 fuses integrated in ones. That's what they look like. Let us show you quick. That's the side view, 11 individual fuses in one. This is the top view, guys, of the fuses. You can see right here. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping as well. So let's start on it now. So, fuel injectors relay, where it's located, let's explain that now. On a 2015 Honda CRV that we have right here, you guys have 2 different fuse boxes. Today we'll be working in both of them. The first fuse box is located under the hood. If you look right here, that's your engine, car battery. That right here is your fuse box. Open that cover here and you're going to see a fuse box layout that will look just like this one right there. Now, before we guys continue, let's explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays now. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the relay that we need to check here for fuel injectors, if you start on this side, you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then the relay number 6 right here, that's the one that you need to check for fuel injectors. You have 2 more inside the vehicle. You have another fuse box under the dash on the driver's side. If you look, guys, okay, right there, look under the dash above the pedals, all the way up in the left corner, you will see a fuse box layout like this one. Here we have 2 more relays that we'll need to check specifically. We're talking about relay relay letter A. You have an A next to it, or number 1, and then you will need to check relay 5, okay, or relay letter E. You will have the letter E right there. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.